So I had this question about something that I read in this amazing book, Remove Anger from Your Heart. Something about the HaShem said about the Gemara that kind of left me speechless. So it says, the Yetzirah does not seduce man to not learn at all. Rather, it seduces him to avoid learning subjects that will bring him to fear heaven, such as books of Mussar or the Shulchan Aruch. So he should know Halacha. Instead, the Yetzirah pursues a person to study only Gemara with commentaries. This is, I just found this to be mind blowing so many levels, because I thought, of course, the Gemara is a very holy text, but what the HaShem here is implying is that the Shulchan Aruch and Mussar kind of brings the person to fear heaven. So I was wondering, what would be the right way to understand this? This is because initially in the process of Teshuvah, it's more helpful for the person to get into the Halacha first and then go to Gemara, or what should we imply from this concept? Thank you, Rabbi.
Okay, so basically we have to know what to do. Just because learn Gemara does not mean that we know what to do. So actually today is my Gemara day. I don't learn Gemara every day, unfortunately, but several times a week. So today was my Bava Mitzvah day. And guess what? We go through this opinion, that opinion, that opinion. And when we build up the case, and when we figure out what all the commentary, all of these things, what exactly was said, and it makes sense. So the next sentence said, no, but how could you really believe that? It's nonsense. And they will crash everything what is said before, and they go from different proof. So person who is not ready for that it's only you're learning for the sake of the learning. You're not try to derive any conclusions from your learning. Besides whatever is in front of you, there is a task in front of you. There is a question. There is a there is a situation. There is a problem, and you just try to deal with that problem. But you understand that's good. But people cannot learn halacha, and people who learned Talmud only, they did not know what to do, and did not take it seriously, halacha. Why? Because in their mind, Rav Huna said that, and then another rabbi, Rav Yochanan said, and crushed it completely. You understand? So he's okay. So maybe some people do like that, and maybe there is second opinion who is going to say, whatever he said, it's not real. You understand? So that's it's not for new people for sure. For Teshuvah, it's a must. Learn halacha, what to do, right? Because Talmud and learn Talmud is for the sake of learning, not for a sake in. Some knowledge you can you can get, but halacha you cannot learn from the Talmud. Many times it's exactly opposite what it says there, and even they say halacha is like this. So it's not exactly like this, but similar to this. You have to be Rambam to derive, or Tur or somebody to derive halacha from the Talmud. Okay, yes. So and people learn this. Forget about Talmud. It was in Baal Shem Tov time, but today people like to watch, for example, these useless videos. Right? Somebody sent me this text, not text, a comment under two videos, like we are blinds or something, right? So this probably lady said, a gypsy's lost tribe. What are you doing, a gypsies? She said, please make a video about it. I'm not going to make a video about gypsies. So I said that there is no proof. The lost tribe, not who cares? Eliyahu Hanavi is going to come. Mashiach is going to come. He's going to tell us the lost tribe, not lost tribe. But what about you? What are you learning about this? Why are you burning your life on these nonsenses? Right? But that's what people do. They watch all this video about Mashiach. How many times? It's the same information they recycling. Just stop it. Or one guy we have fan of a Geinom, so he goes to to different sites, and he reads about Gehinom. Even 17 years old. I told him many times, I have the whole section about what to do in the morning. Do you know how to wash the hands in the morning? No, I'm okay. He disappears after I rebuke him, and he goes back, and again I saw the message from him about, I don't know about what, about Gehinom or modesty of the women. He's 17 years old. Stop it. You understand? So that's a Sahara in pure form. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So in the case of someone that is already diligent about his study, is already into Halacha, and of course brings on some Gemara. So what should be like the ratio between those two? Like something like healthy between those two?
I would say double Halacha in one part of Gemara. And I would say the best would be to learn Gemara on the subject that the bottom line is. And I found for myself the most amazing thing to know what Halacha is. So I know in my mind I'm very strong what Halacha is, but now I'm going from another side how it was derived, and it's like mind blowing. So you see how they build up the case. So you have it's like reversed engineering in some sense. Not reverse engineering. You start from the final. So I mean, like I know the answer, and start from building up. That's amazing. But if it's the subject that's totally like new to you, it's going to be like not going to make sense. And sometimes people remember things from the Talmud, and then they see it in Shulchan Aruch and do not accept it because the mind is blocked with it. So that's the problem.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.